So come and join me today. I'm going to Kate's Kitchen. So I'm just waiting to be picked up and I'm on my way. So come and join me and let's check it out. Kate's Kitchen on Banzak Beach. Okay, join me today. I'm at Kate's Kitchen. I've been invited along to see what's going on. It's a beachfront kitchen area where we do the cooking classes. So I'm going to show you a little example of that. Give the wave, everyone. The full team.
Thank you.
So we have a due to massage and health spa. So if you want to get a little bit of your massage on while you're here, you can do. And this is the famous Garang artisan ice cream. And if you want to bump into any local celebrities or even international celebrities, this is the place to come and check them out. When they were filming Jurassic World, this is where all the celebrities came to hang out. So you never know. If you come and pay a visit, you might bump into someone. Let's spin you around and you can hear the waves crashing on the shore already. Nice shady area, and let's have a little walk down to the beach. Oh, and this here is the original tsunami escape point off the beach. There you go. So if you are parking here, you can get your car into the shade here, or your motorbike into the shade. And let's go and have a wander over to the beach. Trees are providing a lovely chunk of shade. Look at this canopy of shade you've got going on. This is my kind of beach where I can see the sea and sit in the shade without getting burnt.
Okay, yes. Shallots and peanuts. So
Look at that, absolute bliss, and look at that sea over there. Now, it's also well known, it's a protected area for...
sea eagles, hornbills, egrets, lots of owls, of course, and lots of great wildlife around here.
Fantastic, this is absolute paradise. Right, let's go check out that sea, see how warm it is. If you want to get a signature Kate on the beach cocktail, this is where you come, and this fine young man will whip you up a cocktail and you can sit and just chill out and watch the world go by. Not only can you just come out here and do the cooking class, but you can come here and you can have your wedding ceremony here. And I've just been told there's a big wedding they've got booked in for in December. For how many people is it for?
350.
350 people on this beach here. But look at this as a backdrop. It's just a dream to have your pictures taken here. Seating area here. A lot of the ceremonies are obviously a lot smaller and they are more blessings than actual ceremonies. But if you're having a celebration, a blessing, this is just an ideal beach to come. Perfect area to come and celebrate. Oh, this is just stunning. Just listen to those waves. Look at this blue sky today. What an absolutely stunning day to be here in Thailand, in Khao Lak. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. And just down here, they've got a couple of big hotels, the resorts.
Yeah, starting at the Sarajin over there, then we go on to My Khao Lak, Robinson, Ananaya, Avani, Outrigger, Banzak Village. And behind us, there's the...
Over this way, we have...
Yes, we have the Graceland, and we have Meridian and Grand Mercure.
A birthday set up just here. Now, if you are in a local area and just want to come and eat and drink here, just like this local Thai family here, we get quite a lot of locals coming here, just chilling out, enjoying themselves, having a day out on the beach, relaxing. We've got your hammock time going on, chilling out here. This is absolutely, it's just a dream. And you always know it's a good place to come when the local Thais come and have their food here as well. So yeah, if the locals like it, hey, it's got to be good. Authentic Thai food on a pristine, beautiful beach. Oh, just look at this scenery. I can't get over how nice it is. An array of little tables here, and you have free bean bags on the beach as well. So no charge for the bean bags. They are included in your day here. I can't think of a much better way to spend an afternoon than just sitting here chilling out. Whoa, look at this for a slice of paradise. And we've got a selection of 42 different craft beers. That's got to be the biggest selection of beers in Khao Lak. Lovely big selection going on.
Okay, we've got ciders from France, brewed here in Thailand and China. Some great stuff here.
go. That's every different variety of beer out. Whoa, that is very cool. And obviously, you can't go anywhere without a cheeky chang.
Okay, we've got some organic spumante, lots of great wine from Chile and Australia. Whatever you want, we can get it.
You can't show it. It's thickness.
Here we go. I think this is for the final judgment. Who's made the best? Here we go. Kate's Kitchen and Restaurant. Birthdays, weddings, vow renewals, cooking classes. And let's just spin that over. We've got your 4 taster curries and a huge different selection of drinks. We're invited here for this delicious lunch, and we're having...
These are tiger prawns.
And
This is the lemon and garlic steamed sea bass.
oh, this looks absolutely delicious. So let's get stuck in. I've got to say, the food here is absolutely outstanding. Fish have just had absolutely to die for. So many Thai families here as well, and obviously, if the Thais are eating here, you know it's good stuff. So yeah, get yourself down here and check this place out. It's absolutely beautiful as well. We just sat in paradise. Absolutely stunning place. What more can I say? The cooking class is still going on. I've just had the most amazing lunch. Absolutely beautiful. And the sunset, it's going to be directly behind here. So if you're coming up for a sunset night, you're going to get the perfect spot for a cracking sunset. I think everything's nailed here. You've got a beautiful beach. You've got the cooking classes going on. You've got a huge selection of wines, spirits, beers, ciders. You can either just have a day here, chilling on the beach. You can come and do a cooking class here. It's got everything really. Or you can come and renew your vows if you'd like, or have your birthday party here, or a celebration. It's just a beautiful part of Khao Lak. Highly recommend it. So if you want, what a brilliant way to round off my last full day here in Khao Lak, on the beach, having lunch, checking out this new place. Not been here before, first time I've been. So as I say, I do recommend it if you want to come down and check the place out. Tomorrow I fly over to Bangkok, and then Bangkok back home to Manchester. Yeah. The dream can't live forever. Back to work. Fish was delicious. Now we're going to try some chicken satay. I'm spoiling myself. Absolutely rotten here. So we have on here.
This is shrimp Penang
And
red curry gai chicken. That's massaman and green curry. That's the 4 main curries of Thailand.
wow, this is a very large lunch. How was the food? Is it good?
Beautiful, thank you.
Excellent. Looks like you made a good job cooking there.
We had a great teacher.
Wow, that looks fantastic. Let's have a look at your spring rolls as well. Oh, look at this! Look at the artwork there. Fantastic. Wow. Truly tasty lunch. Absolutely stuffed. I can't eat anymore now. The cooking class went really well. I've just done a quick shot of what they've made, and they're sitting down to eat. And now we're going to have a quick word with Kate. So come on, let's see what she's got to say. Oh, unfortunately, Kate had to whiz off. Anyway, what a shame. So yeah, what can I say? The people who've done the cooking class have really enjoyed it. I've had a lovely afternoon here on the beach. The food is absolutely excellent. The view here, the sunset, everything you want is here. So I would highly recommend coming here for an afternoon or an evening or for a meal. If you do like this kind of content, why not give me a thumbs up, which shows you appreciate the video. If you've been to Kate's Kitchen, leave a comment as well. It's a good recommendation, you know, if you've been and enjoyed the experience. Why don't you click that notification bell? It's completely free to do that. Just let YouTube know that I'm loading new stuff, and if you click the subscribe, you'll see more of my nonsense when I upload it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.